Hello students, I am Suman. Today we will discuss again part 3 of class 10 subject physics and chapter light. We have been already discussed the characteristics of light, theory of light, the properties of light, and now the next topic is reflection of light. As we have been discussed on the first day, there are different kinds of the phenomenon of light. It is reflection of light, refraction of light, dispersion of light. So here we will first study the reflection of light. As you know that the light, when we say about the light, means it is the sunlight, and sunlight is white light. Sunlight, what is the color of the sunlight? It is white. And this white light is the mixture of the 7 different colors, and this is known as vacuum, and the color is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This is the 7 color of the light. When this 7 color mix in a fixed proportion, the color of the light becomes white. So different color have different frequency. As we have discussed that the light travel in the medium, it can travel in medium, in all three mediums, solid, liquid and gases. Even light can travel through in a space or a vacuum. So when a light passes from one medium to another medium, there are 3 characteristics or 3 properties of light. It is frequency, the wavelength and velocity. So the frequency remain unchanged in all the kinds of the medium, while wavelength and velocity becomes changed when a light passes from one medium to another medium. So here the frequency of, as you are watching, there are 7 colors, so 7 color frequency has different. So the different frequency has 7 different colors. So the frequency of minimum frequency of violet color, it is 400 nanometer, and the maximum frequency of red color, it is 750 nanometer. This is the frequency. Least frequency is 400 nanometer, which is violet color, and the maximum frequency of the light is red color, which is 750. So human being can see the range of frequency between 400 to 750. So the range of visible frequency is 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter to 750 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter. This is the range of the frequency for visible light of human being. 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer, and the rest of the frequency of the color between 400 to 750. Now this is the visible range of the frequency. Now we will discuss the reflection of the next topic, which is the reflection of light. And before it, here we will see the our eye is most sensitive about 2 color. Eye is sensitive about yellow and green. Our eye is most sensitive about these 2 colors, yellow color and the green color. Green color of light, you can say it is green color of light. It is our eyes, our means the human eyes. So now the next topic we will discuss the reflection of light. What is reflection of light? We can see the different things which is around us. It is wall, table, chair, book, pen, pencil, etc. And the property of the light is when the ray of light fall on any surface, it bounces back into the same medium. We can see that this is a blackboard. We can see the blackboard due to the reflection of light. We can see the everything around us due to the reflection of light. So we can say that every object in the universe reflects light, even smallest to smallest particle and biggest to biggest object. All the objects and the particle can reflect the light. When you switch on the bulb in your room, you see it is a brightness all around. Why? When we switch on the bulb, we have brightness all around. Because our atmosphere contains so many kinds of the particles or the gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, dust particle, water vapors. So when the ray of light fall on this smallest particle, the light reflects from that particle. That's why we see brightness all around. But in the space, in the universe, when we go in space, the color of the space is black. Why the color of the space is black? Because in space there is no particle through which the light can reflect, and that's why the space of color is black. Now the reflection of light is the phenomenon of the light through which we can see the object, because as we know that all the things in the universe can reflect the light and then we can see the object. So here we will take a plain, smooth, highly polished surface which is mirror. Suppose that this is a mirror and it is a mirror, and one ray of light falls on the surface of the mirror. So what happens? So as you know, there are three kinds of object for light. It is transparent, translucent, and the opaque object. So here mirror behaves like an opaque object. So when ray of light is fall on this surface, so the light gets reflect from this surface, means from the mirror, and this ray of light reflect on the other direction. So the ray of light which fall on the surface of the mirror is known as incidence ray. Incidence ray, and the ray which reflect from the surface, and both incidence ray and which you are watching the reflected ray, both have the one common point, and the ray which is reflect from this point is known as the reflected ray. So what is reflection now? The question, what is the reflection of light? So the reflection of light, when a ray of light falls on any highly polished smooth surface, it bounces back into the same medium. This is medium 1 and this is medium 2. So when the light falls on the highly polished, means this mirror behaves like an opaque object. That's why, because its other part is polished, so the light cannot pass through it. So when the ray of light fall on this surface and the ray of light reflect from the same point of incidence, this where the light fall on the surface of the mirror, this point is known as the point of incidence, because the ray of light fall on this point. So this point is known as point of incidence, and this point is also known as the point of reflection, because the light reflected from this same point. So this is medium 1 and this is medium 2, and the mirror is polished, that's why the ray cannot pass through the mirror. That's why the ray reflects in the other direction, and the ray reflect in the other direction in the same medium. This is also medium 1. So the reflection of light, when a ray of light falls on a highly polished smooth surface, it bounces back into the same medium, is known as the reflection of light. There are some terms which is related to the reflection of light, and if we put here normal. Normal means a perpendicular line, imaginary perpendicular line which fall on the point of incidence. This is normal. N and O. So whatever the angle form which normal of the incidence ray, this angle suppose that is I, and the angle whatever formed which normal to the reflected ray, and suppose that this angle is R, then angle I equal to angle R. This is the property of the incidence ray, and that's why there are two laws of the reflection. So first law 1. What is the law 1? Law 1 is the incident ray. The ray which incidents on the surface is known as the incident ray. The refracted ray, the ray which reflects from the point of incidence, is known as the reflected ray. And the normal, which is fall perpendicular and imaginary line on the point of incidence. So there are three conditions: the incidence ray, the reflected ray, and normal at a point of incidence all lie in the same plane as you are watching. So the first law is incidence ray, reflected ray, and normal at a point of incidence all lie in the same plane. This is the first law. As you are watching here, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and this is normal. All three have one common point. So this is a law of reflection, and this is the first law of reflection. And law 2, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, as you are watching here. So the law 2 is angle of incidence is I is always